Take 10.
Hello.
Hi.
It's your father.
And Mama.
I forgot the script.
We've been doing this. Now we're trying to figure out what to say because we don't normally do videos. But you started off on the last take doing really well. You said...
I said it's been a rough year. With COVID, having to do school from home,
online.
Then having to go back to school, being in the house all day. But you two did a good job.
You managed better than we thought.
Yeah. And you still worked hard doing, Nickson, you do your drums and, your piano. You're keeping up with it. And you're growing up. And you're turning into little people.
Yeah, we're proud of y'all.
Yep.
And so we wanted to just say enjoy your special day that the two of you share together and that we love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Hey, Nina. I just wanted to say, wow, I remember when you were just a little baby, so precious and so petite. And it just really, it makes me smile when I think about how much you've grown and to such, and now you're this beautiful big girl. I want you to know that you're smart, that you are so creative, that you're kind, and you're a good little friend. I want you to keep making your mommy and daddy and all of us proud of you. All right, we love you and happy birthday.
Love you, Nina.
Hey, Nina and Nickson. Happy birthday. I hope you guys have an absolutely awesome day today. We love you guys so much. And I know it's going to be awesome. Okay.
Happy birthday, Nickson and Nina. I'm so excited to see you guys growing up every single day and just getting older and smarter and just showing me how smart you guys really are. And it shocks me, but makes me happy as well. Definitely the smartest kids I know, the funniest. You guys are so quirky and cute. And I just love hearing you guys talk about what you're interested in and what you watched and what new things you guys are learning. And I'm so proud to say that I am a very happy auntie to see you guys grow and become so smart and sure of yourselves at such a young age. And I love you so much. And I hope you have a great birthday. And I will see you soon. And mwah. I love you.
Birthday, happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, Nickson. Hey, Nina. Happy birthday. Stay talented, like your mom's been updating us, Nina, with your piano, and I think you're doing ballet, and Nickson with your drums. You guys are definitely musical kids, so that I think is awesome. Enjoy your birthday. We're sorry we can't be there, but just wanted to send you our message of love, and we're thinking of you here from Chicago. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hey, Nina and Nickson. Happy birthday from Miss Hunter. I hope you guys enjoy your party today, and I hope you have so much fun. Again, happy birthday. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Hey, Nickson, I was just recording this video to tell you happy birthday and that you're a really nice guy. You're really funny. You always make me laugh. I just wanted to thank you for being an awesome friend and for always being there for me. And it's your 8th birthday, man. You're getting really big. I hope you'll just stay in this neighborhood, and then we'll be friends for a really long time. All right, bye. See you at the party.
Happy birthday, Nickson and Nina.
That's right. You both have the same birthday because you're twins, which is weird. Like that, weird. It's actually pretty cool because then you can say, wait a minute, you cost too much money now. No, it's not, because now you'd have to spend the same amount of money. Anyway, happy birthday.
We love you and miss you.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, Mom and Dad never really spanked us for being annoying. They spanked us for egregious behavior, for disrespecting elders, for lying, for stealing.
Why is this going in their birthday video?
Because we were talking about it before, and I figured that they should be a part of the conversation. Oh, never mind.
Is there a lesson in there?
No.
Okay.
No, I just wanted to bring it up. Okay. See you.
Happy birthday.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. average GameTruck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.